Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can enable or disable the dark mode in your Google Chrome browser for your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So if you want to access your Google Chrome browser in a dark mode, then we need to first open the Google Chrome application. If you have the desktop icon for that on your desktop, just simply click on that. However, if you don't have the Google Chrome icon on your desktop, just search for it in the Windows search bar, type CHROME. Then Google Chrome will appear under the best match. Just click on that. Here in the search bar, you need to type CHROME colon // flags. Now we are not in a dark mode yet. So this is how it looks like if this is not in a dark mode. Then just click on it. Now you didn't have to make any changes for all the list of options right here, but you just need to search for dark mode. Then auto dark mode for web contents will be available. You have this drop down menu and you have a lot of options here. We have default, enabled, disabled, and advanced enabled. Now if we are going to enable the dark mode, then we just have to click on enabled. Then relaunch. Then we need to open our Chrome browser again. Type CHROME. Click on that under the best match. Now we are in a dark mode. We are accessing and using the Google Chrome in a dark mode. So if we are going to click another tab, now this is also applicable to all tabs, new tabs that you're going to open. If you click on the plus sign symbol at the top, you are also in a dark mode. And if you click it again, you are also in a dark mode. So let's try searching as to how would it look like if you are in a dark mode. And this is how it looks like if you're going to search an info in a dark mode. However, if in some cases that you want to disable the dark mode and you want to use the light mode, then how can you do that? Same process, just open the Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match. Here we need to type again CHROME colon // flags. Hit on enter. In the search box again, search flags, just type dark mode. Auto dark mode for web contents will be available. Click on the drop down menu. Then here we just need to click on disabled. Click on relaunch. Then let's bring up Chrome again. And now the dark mode has been disabled and we are on the light mode now. So this is how you are going to do it. That's just a very simple process as to how you can enable or disable the dark mode for your Google Chrome browser on your Windows. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.